No, no. I understand the matter has been postponed to September, my lady, but not for trial. That's to transfer it to the regional court with a view to receiving representations. That's I read it in the record as well, my lady. I'm just not certain of the date. My learned friend would know the date because, as you said...
I'm going to just ask for clarity from the state side.
Yes.
Just for the purpose of, I would think that it might be postponed for purposes of representation to September. But I definitely believe it is right now in the regional court. So it can't be transferred to this regional court again.
Yes, no, it's I understand it's 10 September, my lady. Yes. Thank you, my lady.
My lady, I'm not the prosecutor.
You're not doing the case.
But my colleague here, the prosecutor, my lady, I'm informed that the matter has been postponed for the appellant to make representation to the DPP's office. The matter is in the regional court and is right for trial.
My lady, I've received instructions that it's postponed to 10 September. It had already appeared before the regional court. It's for representations. At that stage, they asked the regional magistrate to endorse the warrant of detention so he could receive the medical attention and the psychiatric attention, and the magistrate refused to do so. That's a matter of record, I'm told, by my instructing attorney. And, my junior conveyed it across, but my instructing attorney who's present in court was there when that occurred. Thank you, my lady. I have no further address, my lady. Unless there's anything further to ladyship wishes to inquire.
Right. I do believe that at the previous instance when the appellants placed aspects before the court, the indication was that if bail was to be considered, the appellant was financially in a position to pay bail. They suggested an amount of 10,000 Rand that was on the papers. I just want to confirm that was what was ventilated.
My lady, I have instructions in that regard. The appellant is in a position to pay bail of 100,000 Rand.
100,000.
Yeah, it's not. He's got family and friends that have undertaken to support him to the extent of 100,000 Rand, and he would comply with any bail conditions as envisaged in the Branco decision, my lady, including but not limited to house arrest, etc., where he would be monitored by the investigating officer. He will cooperate in any possible way, my lady. Thank you, madam.
I take it there's no comment on the state's part in this regard.
My lady, I indeed informed that what was proposed initially was an amount of 100,000 Rand.
100,000 was initially proposed.
Not 10,000 Rand.
Not 10,000.
Yes, but
okay, I didn't. I'm sure I did 10, but be that as it may, it's fine.
Yes.
It was originally 100,000.
Yes, but the state is opposed.
No, but I hear you.
Yes.
I don't think that was going to change. Otherwise, we wouldn't be here. Right. I was contemplating trying to give an extempore judgment in respect of this matter. I was just wanting to ventilate the issue with the parties, availability concerning judgment being delivered concerning the matter.
We will comply with whatever your ladyship orders. We have no issue, my lady.
What about the court, my lady?
Would you be available then next week?
My lady, my attorney will fit in with any date. If I can be excused,
obviously.
And my junior, but my attorney will definitely secure any representation that accords with your ladyship's arrangements. There's no issue, my lady.
Right. The matter is going to be postponed for purposes of judgment on the 5th of August 2026. It will be here in this court, courtroom number 5 at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Is the court please?
That concludes our bail, my lady.
The court shall then adjourn. Please be quiet, the court is still here.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?